May we also give the floor to our dedicated Student Affairs Officer, Marketing Coordinator, NSTP Coordinator, and General Education Faculty Member. His multifaceted leadership and unwavering commitment to students' development, institutional growth, and holistic education reflect his invaluable contribution to our academic community. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, may we call on Dr. Gaudencio Dokiari Andaya. A round of applause, please.
Nakalagay dyan natin empowered workforce, transform education, strengthening service for brighter future. Ang response ko po naman dyan, as we gather today, not just to celebrate the theme, but to embrace a mission. As future educators, we have a mission to hold on. This theme is more than a slogan. It is a reminder that the future of education, the future of our communities, and the future of our nation rests on the dedication, courage, and commitment of every educator, every student, and every service provider who are present today. In a world that is rapidly changing, we cannot remain the same. Education today demands a workforce that is not only skilled, but empowered. Empowered to think critically, lead with integrity, adapt with resilience, and serve with purpose. Empowerment happens when we recognize our value, amplify our strength, and choose every day to become better than we were yesterday. But empowerment alone is not enough. We are called to transform education, to shape learning in ways that will spark curiosity, ignite creativity, and cultivate compassion. We must reimagine classrooms as spaces where potential is discovered, voices are heard, and dreams are nurtured. Transformation happens when we dare to innovate, when we embrace challenges, and we believe that every learner deserves opportunities that lead to a meaningful and successful life. And above all, we strengthen service because at the heart of education is service. Service to our students, service to our institutions, service to our communities. And when we serve with empathy and excellence, and with genuine commitment, we illuminate the path toward a brighter and more promising future. As we move forward, let us remember, an empowered workforce builds strong foundations. A transformed education system breaks barriers. A strengthened service culture creates lasting impact. Together, we can shape a future where learning is alive, where service is sincere, and where every child, every youth, and every educator can shine. Let us continue to empower, transform, and serve. For this is how we create not just a brighter future, but a better one. As what Newton Baker has well said, that the man who graduates today and stops learning tomorrow is uneducated the day after. That was my guiding principles. I keep on educating myself, and I'm very lucky being part of this institution because every day is a learning process. And to all of you, aspiring future educators, you always have to remember that education will always be your best investment, that no one and nobody can grab it from you. Because education will always be your ticket towards the realization and fulfillment of your dreams. Thank you, and may today inspire us to rise with purpose. Congratulations to the students and faculty of CITEAS.
Okay, so thank you so much, Dr. Andaya.